always wear ear protection.
Keeping your ear intact. And
What?
You can amplify
What?
what's going
What?
on in
Huh?
your-
Huh?
They'll amplify too.
No.
What's going on in
Sounds
your-
the same.
Hey guys! All right, Danielle at Summerfield Farm and Draft Horses, and we are off site today. We are at my old barn where I used to board. That's all over there, and we're doing a turkey shoot. So I brought my dad's shotgun. My dad passed away a couple years ago, and oh, look at this! It's Daryl. Hi, Daryl. How you doing, buddy? Every barn needs a gray barn cat. Hi, how you doing? And anyway, so we're here and we're gonna have some fun. I don't really shoot my dad's shotgun anymore because I've kind of retired it, except for turkey shoots, because he used to do them with turkey shoots. So that's what today's gonna be for. So stick around, and I have no idea what's gonna go on because I've never done a turkey shoot before. So this should be fun. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that's a little snake horse.
Snake horse.
Yeah, she's been.
All right, we're here. Alrighty, let's go in and get our all set up. I got my dad's rifle, his little shotgun, and this is pretty cool. This wasn't here when we were boarding. This would have been more fun. Always wear ear
Keeping
protection.
your ear intact. And
What?
You can amplify
What?
what's going
What?
on in
Huh?
your-
Huh?
They'll
What?
amplify too.
No.
What's going on in
Sounds
your-
the same. No.
So this is the deal. This is the deal. We shoot out of that, shoot that, and one little pellet's got to get there, and then you win. Pretty easy. I'm cutting that out.
It only takes one.
I'm cutting, yeah.
Does 12 go into 20, Dave?
None.
How many times does 12 go into 20?
Nope.
None. Apparently
Now I
that's,
got to get the damn shell bag out.
it's not the right gun. That's all right. We'll start over and we'll do it over.
To get it. It's hung on that lip right
So I'm gonna practice a little bit because
there. I'm gonna leave the gate open.
I've never shot my dad's gun
All right,
over there
I'll
before.
close
So
it behind you.
One shot.
okay, one shot.
See where your closest pellet is.
We'll see from there.
So take your left target,
You do.
and
You
that's
go.
your practice.
You go.
I
Your left target is your practice.
left target.
left target.
Practice.
Okay, now go look.
Yes.
This one? That one? That's his closest one.
That would be the
It
closest.
was upper. I'll just use the other one. We have plenty of
Or
targets,
you use
right?
a whole new target, and we burn through the targets pretty quick.
Yeah, but there's only 3. There's like a ton of targets, right?
That's pretty damn accurate.
Yeah, I think
Oh, are you kidding? You freaking missed the whole thing. It's like
No.
all up here.
Here's the reason why.
Because you're like way the heck over there. What's
That's
that?
a turkey choke.
Oh.
yeah, my,
See, I don't know
what's the
these
benefit of a
things.
choke?
I know horses. I don't know boom boom sticks.
What's the benefit of a choke?
I know the choke actually makes the spray a little bit more narrow. I know. I remember during hunter safety classes.
Okay.
Do the middle.
Okay, boys and girls, she's going to go for her first shotgun shoot with her daddy's gun in over 3 years with a banged up thumb.
Yeah.
Middle target. Take your time.
I hate this gun. Now I remember why I don't shoot it.
Now, let's go see how she did.
How do I make it go out?
Racket.
Rack it and leave it right there as it sits.
That's it.
Clear.
Clear. Okay, her first shot. Upper right-hand corner, left-hand corner. All right, let's let her have her do another round. Maybe this time she'll aim right. How you feeling?
I feel better.
No.
3 in the red, dude.
No.
3. That is winner chicken dinner.
You would just win. You win.
No, I would have. We got to change the targets out.
Nice.
There's one.
Killed it.
Look at that turkey.
Well, no, he still has to do his.
I know.
I'm on the outside.
I got 5 in the
Oh shit. David won that one.
Aw,
Watch my
that's
stroke.
okay. That's all right. That's all right. It's all good. You've done this more than me.
Look at that. That's
Not
you.
bad. One in the middle.
One in the middle.
Holy cow.
Hope. We're live. That one looked like it went high.
It's purple. It's purple one. Okay, let's go see.
That one went high. You get anything?
Yes! 0!
Oh no, really?
Hey, well, I might have done some damage, but
That is a brand new target. Nice shot. So that's how it all works. You shoot the target, and the person who gets the most in there wins. So we're gonna hang out here for a little while longer, and we're gonna do some more shooting. We're gonna have a little bit more fun. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us for just this little tiny short video. And we will see you next time on Summerfield Farms. And there's no draft horses here, but draft horses. See you guys. Okay guys, I had to put this in at the end because he is so in love with Demolition Ranch and the militia. And look what we get to be in. We're gonna go for a ride. Somebody's happy. Not a lot of room.
See you next week, Roger.
Oh, watch out, the horse.
Oh, you don't have to worry about the mirrors hitting you. I know, right? It's a mirror damn time.
Watch out. There's a ditch. I want to see you fall. There's a big ditch.
There's a ditch. Sorry, Mike.
So far.
All right,
Oh
kitties.
my
All
God.
right, kitties. Ride is over.
Ride's over.
Ride's over.
Okay.
Everyone watch out for the safety.
Time to get out. Oh, that was a long way.
Tip the driver. Dude, that is cool.
pretty cool.
Thank you, man.
Pretty cool.
Thank you.
They're gonna be bummed that they missed it. I know.
That was awesome.
He did away with you going down the creek and down there.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Woo!